Tyler Hill at MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Sea Ray and Boston Whaler dealer. We're looking at a 2019 38 Outrage. Just came in. One of Boston Whaler's newest models. It is an absolute animal. Standard dive door. Triple 350 Mercury Verados. Take a quick look at the transom. Underwater lights. Big trim tabs. Really nice setup. A little bit of cruising, a little bit of fishing. You name it, the 38 Outrage can do it. Let's do a quick walk through of the cockpit. This dive door is phenomenal. It opens on the inside as well. So you can use it as a really nice boarding step on a floating dock. Big bench seats that pull out when you want to use them. Set up to fishing when you're not. Walking around, nice bait prep station here. Push the little button here and boom. Got our electric grill, sink, everything you need to go fishing and entertain. Got a retractable electric sunshade that comes out of the hardtop. Big live well here, in perfect position. Another walkthrough with freshwater wash down here. Do a little walk towards the helm. Really deep gunnels. Awesome Raymarine Axiom electronics package. Joystick controls. This one has a Seakeeper on it as well. Mercury vessel view. Head around up to the bow area, which is really nice entertaining area. Big trunk storage underneath. Electric table that converts to a sun pad. Concealed windlass. All the decks are flat, rod holders everywhere where they need to be. HD radar from Raymarine. Beautiful full windshield for protection. Has air conditioning in the helm as well. Welcome back to port side. All JL audio, upgraded premium sound system. Refrigerator here in the cockpit. Triple helm seats so everybody can enjoy the best view. And a really nice cabin as well. Sleep a couple people here for the weekend. You have a sink down here, a microwave. And we'll take a quick look at the fully enclosed vacuum flush toilet and shower. It's a weekend boat if you want it to be. Again, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax. We're your local Boston Whaler and Sea Ray dealer here in sunny South Florida. Give you a quick view of our marina and our beautiful inventory. This is where we take care of you after the sale. Have a great day. Thanks for looking. 954-783-9555.